Hi, my name is Lucas from Modern Music School, Pasadena. Today we're going to learn to play Eye of the Tiger by Survivor. The chords you'll need to know are C minor, A flat, B flat, G minor, E flat, and F minor. The first part we will learn is the iconic rhythmic intro. Be aware, the syncopation is tricky. Here's an example of the verse. The second 4-bar phrase is the transition into the chorus. Now let's go to the chorus. You'll notice towards the end, there's a melody line that plays quarter note triplets. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. If you have questions, ask your instructor or leave a comment below.